Where is the protein, alpha-keratin present? Wool. Which instrument used for finding out wind direction? Wind vane. Which country is the largest producer of bauxite? Australia. Which Englishman was fellow of Gandhiji in South Africa? Polak. Which country has the briefest constitution in the world? USA. The book Diplomatic Encounter has been written by which author? Arundhati Roy. Which transition metal is in liquid state? Mercury. What is the term as the drainage pattern developed on folded sedimentary rocks? Trellis. Who was the first Indian woman president of the Indian National Congress? Sarojini Naidu. Where were first Olympic Games held? 776 BC. Which is the essential element in all organic compounds? Carbon. To suspect HIV/AIDS in a young individual, which symptom is mostly associated with? Chronic diarrhea. Which city is associated with the river Mekong? Phnom Penh. Which Indian revolutionary helped Subhash Chandra Bose in raising Indian National Army? Rasbehari Bose. In an atom, the order of filling up of the orbitals is governed by which principle? Aufbau principle. When can the salaries of High Court judges be reduced? During a financial emergency. What is a line on a map which joins places having the same rainfall called? Isahayat. What can be the maximum length of a cricket bat? 32 inches. During which reign was the East India Company founded in London? Akbar. Who was known as Lady with Lamp? Florence Nightingale. What is the minimum age for election/appointment as member of the Rajya Sabha? 30 years. From when was the zero-based budgeting in India first experimented? April 1987. Who started the newspaper Shome Prakash? Ishwar Chandra Vidyasagar. Which film was made by Satyajit Ray for children? Sonar Kella. Which mirror is to be used to obtain a parallel beam of light from a small lamp? Concave mirror.